Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel, supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for a future consumer stock. The ticker name is F Consumer. What you are watching right now is the monthly technical chart of F Consumer, and along with a few technical indicators, uh, you can clearly see the price trend path of F Consumer since 2013 also here. I'm using RSI, MACD, Momentum, ADX, that was a moving average 50 and 10, and super trend also, technical indicators to do the analysis for this particular stock. Now, if you look at the price trend path of F Consumer stock, see, I have data here since 2013. Actually, this stock has been moving sideways up to 2014, and after that it started its upward journey. And then it started making new highs, and the journey stopped here. And December 2015. After December 2015, the stock started going in a sideways movement, and until February 2017, and again it started going up. Okay, and right now the stock is in the consolidation phase. So the expectation is like once this consolidation phase is over, the stock will move like this here. Okay, the stock will move in the upward direction here. Okay, so whether the stock will move in the upward direction or whether the consolidation phase will take a little bit more time or not, that we will see. Okay, first we look at the moving average. What sort of moving average it has crossed? Now it has crossed 50, and it has crossed 10 also, and it has the green color super trend mode is. It is right now the stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode. All these three are good, and now look at the RSI. RSI has already picked up and it is making a nice slope, which is good. That's what I can say at the moment. Now look at the MACD. The signal line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging. As I already told you, the gap is what indicates the price movement of the stock, strength of the price movement of the stock, which is not in sync. That's what I'm saying. And you can see the green color histogram bars here, which are populating, and even the size is also increasing. But here, actually, the stock is coming down. Okay, MACD is quite excited about the stock, but not reflecting the correct position here. Even RSI is also quite excited. I mean, not reflecting the correct position here. Actually, the price of the stock is coming down here, and somewhere they have to show, because that's why I mean all that's why we are using this many indicators. That's why we are using different indicators for different stocks, and and also we are using more than one indicator. Why? Because every time the indicators won't tell the truth. That's what I mean. They don't whatever guiding points they throw at us, they're not right always. So what we do is like we check, we deploy some 7 8 indicators, and then we will see what is the maximum number of indicators are telling us what sort of and sometimes the experience, the price trend path of the stock gives you the truth. I mean the prediction helps you to make the prediction, right prediction, and sometimes your experience guides you. So many things are there to I mean while predicting the price of the stock. So right now what I'm seeing is RSI and MACD both are excited, but there I am seeing but in real time the price of the stock is going down, but nowhere I am seeing such kind of signs here. Okay, now look at the momentum. Momentum graph is playing on top of the baseline, which is very good. Zero is the baseline here, and momentum is making a parabolic curve. Like it is like it is instead of going up, you look at the tip of the momentum graph, it is making a parallel line to the baseline. This is somewhat clearly indicates what I mean regarding this price decrease position here. And now look at the ADX. ADX is like the green color bar is on top of the red line. Okay, green line is on top of the red line, and both are, and green line is slightly converging. Actually, it is coming down. And now look at the direction strength of the index, of direction strength of the stock. The direction right now it is going down. That is the direction. Down is the direction, and now that direction is the strength is increasing. So we are getting mixed signals here. two indicators are saying giving us a positive signal, and two indicators are giving us throwing a negative sign. And now we need to use our experience, and we need to look at the price trend path of the stock. We need to see actually after every rise whether there is any consolidation. No, because there is in this particular stock that sort of pattern is not there, because it has made a consistently new highs here, and only after that there is one consolidation, there is one sideways movement, and after that again the upward movement started. So what I'm saying here right now, and based on the guiding points, and based on my analysis, I can say that this particular stock will at this moment this I mean there won't be any much price rise in the stock. That is one thing, and second thing is this particular stock is not for long term investment at this moment. We'll come back to this stock later, and because we are getting a different confused signals from different indicators, so this is not the right way to take a guess on this particular stock. And as per my analysis, I mean we will just keep away hold the stock for uh, for some time, and we will come back to the stock later. At the moment, it better not to go for long-term investment in this particular stock, unless we see a positive sign in its price trend path. So that is the recommendation for this particular stock. So wait and watch mode. That is the phrase that I use for this particular stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.